So there's a cop who works out here at my gym, and constantly when he comes in, I mean at least once a week, he talks about the guys he arrests. And he talks about how he has to go sit in court. And he talks about the judges. And when he talks about these things, what he says is he believes that the courts are a huge waste of time and money. He doesn't think that judges should have their jobs because judges will ask him questions. And they will look at the people that have been arrested, those people that are before them, and they'll be lenient, too lenient for him sometimes. But more than that, he doesn't think that his judgment in arresting them should ever be questioned. He says things, and the actual words that he uses are that he thinks that constitutional rights are bullshit. Those are his words. That's what he says. I'm quoting here, right? I'm not trying to use extreme language. I'm not trying to put words in his mouth. He says constitutional rights are bullshit. And so here's my real question, right? Let's bracket the idea that there's a guy whose job is to look out for us, to quote unquote serve and protect. And this is what he thinks of the people whom he's serving and protecting. Let's bracket that for a moment. Why would you become a cop if you think of the law of the land, the highest law of the land, as bullshit, to use his words? Why would you choose, because you have to ask for this job, you have to work for it. Why would you ask to be a representative of a system that you have nothing but contempt and disdain for? I don't understand that. I can't wrap my head around that. I don't understand why anyone would ask to have a job that they think is bullshit. I don't get it, man. I just don't get it. What I can also say, aside from that, the idea of a cop who thinks that constitutional rights are bullshit is terrifying.